And that's how I fell from the sky.
But why did you choose me?
I didn't. The sort of smelling freaker Elvis did. Jimmy, get ready for school. We'll have fun. Go out the hills to find out who's the next warrior.
So Kanan, I hear that you're good at singing.
Hey Cannon and Yuri, just to let you know that Cannon's mom is on her way to completing her race around the world.
This is the best day ever. She looks happy enough.
Thank you, Captain Obvious.
Come on, Sky. That pink-haired girl's afraid of us. Let's not forget about world domination. Villains don't give up just because they fell down, Jade. I found out whenever we make humans monsters, we can transform making negative energy.
Grace, what are you and your sister doing here?
Well, Rico, I had to go to a fashion show, so I had no other choice to come to your house because Jackie wanted to play with your brother.
Dad, I told you I don't like people around me. And Haru, please go outside for a moment.
Why does Kenna never smile? Oh, I wanted was for her to see Mom, but it's gonna take for hours. Oh, we see. You just want to make your sister happy. Well, yeah. That's no problem. We can help you. I will protect my sister no matter what. Now we can transform.
What's going on? It's you!
It's feeling time, Yumi.
For the cure, emotional change. Make me feel happy. The emotion of joy and fun. I'm pure happiness.
Can't you see them trying to hate me?
Oh yeah? Let's see when you get shocked. Happiness shocker.
Don't hurt my friend. Hi.
love and peace to our beautiful world. Pretty Cure, Happiness Output! Yay! How could I miss? Well, I'll just defeat you by combat. Haru, that's enough.
I'm doing it for you, Kana. I'm just trying to make you happy.
No, you're not. All you're doing is hurting her friends and destroying the city. You're just making her more lonely. She's right. You're making me more lonely by destroying the world. You think I would like that? No, I wouldn't. Because everyone gets sad sometimes, and that's okay. What just happened? Where did her and Yumi go?
Congratulations! You're Kursana, Kana, the second Princess Warrior.
Like Yumi?
Correct. Now you may need this to start.
What is this thing?
A feeling flower, of course. You're one of the sad emotions, so you need to tap the blue button 2 times. But of course you need to say, Pre-Cure Emotional Change.
It will save you your happiness, right?
Right.
Then this time I'll be brave and save my friends and family. Pre-Cure Emotional Change. Make me feel sad. The emotion of sad thoughts. I'm Cure Sadness. Well, hello, Cure Sadness. You look pretty. Wow, I didn't know this was real. Pink and blue do go together, do they? We're going to make a great team. I would love to work with you, Cure Happiness, but should we worry about them first? No problem. I can use my feeling phone. Feeling phone, picture me. Pretty Cure, Royal Overdrive. Now you try, Sadness. Okay, I hope this works. Feeling phone, picture me. Pretty Cure, Peppermint Breakdown. Wow, it actually worked. So, are you going to use your happiness sword? I think you should do it, Sadness. But what if I miss? You just need to believe in yourself, Sadness. Then you can do anything. Alright, I'll do anything to get my brother back. I'm going to bring peace and love to our world. With Cure, Tears of Joy.
Whoa, what just happened? Ugh! I can't believe we failed again! I don't really care about destroying the world anymore. Let's just go home.
Wow! Say that went well. I think so too!
Girls, did you heard the news? But I am curious who they were.
Yeah, we'll never know.
Kyla, we're so sorry that it's gonna take a long time for your mom to come here.
It's okay, Dad. Now I know I'm still here with people I love.